Just listen to my sighs as I wiring viejo old stuff, new toilet. Just need to clean up in here. Getting rid of that. Awesome. Just pain in the butt. Then see this. The paint had too much moisture, so gotta scrape the wall. Awesome. And then la cocina. La agua no funciona. No funciona. So it didn't matter when we tore it out. All the stuff. And y segundo baño. Yeah, the tiles were, if you hit the wall, they were basically, if you hit the tiles, they would have fell off the wall. So this is here. We took all of them off. Awesome. Awesome DIY project. And this is the disaster left over. So this is the segundo baño. Yeah, I don't know why I had a setting for a shower in here. I'm not too for sure for that. And a drain. I'm not really too for sure what that is, but gonna close that shit up. And the sink, lavabo no funciona. Awesome. Apparently this actually works. I still don't know about keeping it, but it is what it is. Drop ceiling with another drop ceiling with gypsum board. So yeah, see. Yeah. As I sweat up a storm and get burnt by the sun. This is what it is. I'm gonna spend the money. I'm gonna fix this bastard up. Awesome.